class 7. Today my seminar topic is integer. In this session you will learn about integer and integer number line, arithmetic operation on integer, addition of integer, subtraction of integer, multiplication of integer, division of integer. What are the properties of an integer? Closure property, commutative property, associative property, distributive property, additive inverse, multiplicative inverse, additive identity. What is an integer? An whole number anywhere from 0, positive or negative, infinite. The set of integer minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. What is an integer number line? We can represent integer on a number line. Positive integer lies on the right side of the 0. Negative integers lies on the left side of the 0. 0 is in the center of an integer on a number line. 0 is integer can be used in the following 4 fundamental arithmetic operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Integer rules for addition. If two integers have different signs, subtract the two numbers and keep the sign of the number with the highest absolute value. Minus 3 plus 7 is equal to 4. 15 plus minus 9 is equal to 6. Minus 7 plus 2 is equal to minus 5. Subtraction integer. Adding a negative number is the same as subtracting a positive number. 1 plus minus 5 is equal to 1 minus 5. Subtracting a negative number is the same as adding a positive number. 1 minus 5 is equal to 1 plus 5. Multiplication of integer. Multiplication is also defined as repeated in addition. Example, 5 into 3 is equal to 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 15. Similarly, using a number line, we can represent the multiplication of integer. Taking an example, minus 7 into 2 is equal to minus 14. Now let us do it in the different way. First multiply 7 and 2. Then put a minus symbol. Therefore, minus 7 into 2 is equal to minus 14. Similarly, minus 15 into 4 is equal to minus 16. Division of integer is similar to division of whole number, both positive, except the sign of the quotient needed to be determined. If both the dividend and the divisor are positive, the quotient will be positive. Plus 16 divided by plus 14 is equal to 4 plus 4. If both the dividend and divisor are negative, the quotient will be positive. Minus 16 divided by minus 4 is equal to plus 4. What are the properties of integer? The main properties of integer are closure property, commutative property, associative property, distributive property, additive inverse, multiplicative inverse, additive identity. Closure property of addition in integer. When we add any two integer, the result will be an integer. Example number 1. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 and minus 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1. Example number 2. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9 and minus 4 plus 6 is equal to 2. Example 3. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1 and 6 plus minus 9 is equal to minus 3. Commutative property is this property states that changing the order of the addends does not affect the sum. 6 plus 4 is equal to 4 plus 6. Minus 6 plus 4 is equal to 4 plus minus 6. Associative property. This property states that changing the group of numbers being added does not changes its value. 6 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 6 plus 2 plus 1. 6 plus minus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6 plus minus 2 plus 1. Distributive property. This property states that when two numbers have been added or subtracted and then multiplied by a factor, the result will be the same, which each number is multiplied by the factor and the product are then added or subtracted. Minus 2 bracket 4 plus 3 is equal to minus 2 into 4 plus minus 2 into 3. 2 into 4 minus 3 is equal to 2 into 4. 2 into 3. Additive inverse property. The additive inverse property tells us that when we add any number and its 0. Minus a plus a is equal to 0. Multiplicative inverse property. The product of any number and its reciprocal is equal to 1. A by b into b by a is equal to 1. Example, 4 by 5 into 5 by 4 is equal to 1. Additive identity. 0 is called the additive identity for addition of whole numbers or additive identity for whole numbers. When you add 0 to any number, the answer remains the same. Example, 78 plus 0 is equal to 78. A number remains unchanged when added to 0. 0 has a special role in multiplication too. Any number when multiplied by 0 becomes 0. Example, 24 into 0 is equal to 0. Thank you.